Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm here to record my demonstration of my ECE304 project, my own SCR Dimmer made from scratch. So originally we had a 10K potentiometer here, but that didn't really work. It had way too small of a range, so we replaced it with a 500 ohm potentiometer in parallel with the 430 ohm resistor to bias it into the right current. Otherwise it got way too hot. What happens in this circuit is we have power in here. It goes through a fuse which will blow if you connect it wrong and short something. Then we have two SCRs, and those are controlled by timing of these PUTs, which will allow current to flow through when these capacitors fully charge. So that's just timing the firing angle for the SCR dimmer. So once these capacitors charge, current can flow through this BJT, which then allows current to flow through the SCRs, which allows current to flow from the line back to the neutral. So depending on the firing angle, you'll get more or less current through, which is affected, the firing angle is affected by turning this potentiometer, which will change the speed at which these capacitors charge. So in order to test this circuit, we've connected the load to a lamp, and then we've connected that to the power analyzer, which is then connected to the wall outlet for power. So we have power in through the GFCI to the breakout box, then line goes to line in on the SCR dimmer and V2 plus. Then we have source goes to V2 minus, which is tied to I2 minus, and then I2 plus goes to load and to the load of the lamp, or the neutral of the lamp. The line of the lamp goes to the line of the SCR dimmer as well. Or wait, no, that was backwards. The line of the lamp goes to the neutral of the SCR dimmer. The neutral of the lamp goes back to I2 plus, which goes to neutral load on the breakout box. So I will now demonstrate operation by turning the GFCI on. You can see the lamp comes on, and as we adjust the potentiometer, the lamp gets brighter. You can see the adjustment of the firing angle as I change the potentiometer. And then in order to compare, we compare the results using this dimmer and found that that one has a much better range, but this one I made myself, so that's cool. Thank you guys. Have a good day.